Hi, how's everybody doing today? I'm going to bring you your Friday recap of the Professional Trading Strategies Foundation's strategies on the crude oil market and the 60 euro market. And we're also going to go over a little bit on the NASDAQ. I didn't mark those up, but we'll go over them and I'll show you, what the system would have taken and a little bit of the psychology behind trading and a little bit of risk reward stuff. And I hope you enjoy it. All right, starting off, we have to understand Monday's a holiday. Generally, on a holiday, the professional traders who move the market aren't going to be in there. Um, the markets will sometimes move off of lower volume, and on Monday, that was certainly the case. Moved up here, and there really wouldn't have been any trades on Monday in general. There was one right there, but of course it was Monday, so no trading. Fast forward to Tuesday. It was a little bit of a choppy action. We had no trades on Tuesday. There was a possible trade right here, but the market never gave the fill on the order. On Wednesday, almost had a trade right there. Again, no go. This is when the psychology steps in of perseverance and waiting for the right setup. Trading is a lot like hunting, fishing, anything remotely involving nature. We're dealing with human nature here. The charts are an expression of human emotion. We're hunting the best opportunities where more people will be selling than buying in the near future, or they'll be selling more vehemently, rather, because at any one time in the market, we know that the sell and buys will actually balance out. It's just how much people are willing to pay and what prices they move that bid and ask. But you just got to be perseverant, and you got to really know your strategy and know that it's not going to give you a ton of trades just to keep on waiting, because good things will come to those who wait. So on Thursday, I had a nice $260 reward. It was just a trending day. Got that trading. Um, that was a little early in the day compared to usual. That was out like right before the stock open at 9:20. Actually, was fueled by the stock open, and nice $260 trade there minus commission. So total profit Thursday 260. There was almost a trade right in here, but 12:45 and the trade didn't set up exactly how we wanted, so passed up on that one. It was too far below the moving average as well. A lot of times they'll do this, this spike, and they'll just channel on their way. This was the beginning of the end, so to speak, this coming down below this average. You see the market kind of fizzled out. All right, and then this day, harsh downtrend, V bottom. Thought it was going to be able to give one last thrust there. $200 risk. We incurred the loss there for a total profit on Friday of negative 200. So on the week, it was about a $60 loss. Move on to Euro, which fared a little bit better. Again, a holiday Monday, no trading action. Steps off the first trade on Tuesday, $100 win. Second trade, $140 win. Third trade, unfortunately, was a $70 loss, but we're willing to take that. I mean, we were 2 for 2 on the first couple and had a $170 profit on Tuesday. On Wednesday, nice downtrend. Anybody can make money in a market like this. Of course, we made just a little bit, $185. Actually, I'm sorry, that was $155. That was a mistype. In this trade, it almost made it to a profit at 134.78 before plummeting. That was an $80 risk, and we lost $80 there. That was Thursday. And then Friday, believe it or not, whole trend here, and there were no profits. Many of the profitable trades with our strategy were early in the morning, and this just didn't qualify right here. But altogether, if you add these up, that's negative 80, 85, that's 75, 75 and 170 is 245, and holiday Monday, so no trading. So nice $245, week there, less commissions, and a $60 week on crude. So you're looking at around $300 total on CL and 6E. I'm not going to go over ES because as I've been going over it the last few times and realized, with ES, you've got a smaller profit per trade. And I know that most people are going to be trading the crude if they take the course because that's the market we trade, and the strategies work best on crude. They also work really good on 6E, which is why I show it, because 6E can be quite volatile at times. Just going to go over a really quick concept with you regarding trading in general. We know that for any one trade, the market gives you a random distribution of wins and losses. This week we had about a 60% win. That would mean we had approximately a 40% loss, usually a 30% loss, and a 10% what we call scratch or covered our entry trades, trades where nothing was lost and nothing was gained. This week I believe all our loss trades were complete losses, so it was 40% loss. There's a little formula called expectancy, and it equals win percentage times average win minus loss percentage times average loss. As you know, here at Professional Trading Strategies, we trade with a risk reward, which is where we're trading, a little bit less on our loss, a little bit more on the win. So you can see why this works out. If our win percentage is 50%, let's say this is 50% in a given week, that would be 0.5. And our average win is $25. Then you subtract a 50% loss, and our average loss is $20. For every trade, if you do that math, for every trade pulled, you have a $2.50 advantage on the market. This is key right here. We're winning 50% of the time, but our wins are just a little bigger than our losses. We have a $2.50 advantage on the market over every trade. That's why when traders say they have like a 75% win ratio, usually what happens is this, guys. You'll have traders who have a 15 on their average win and a 20 on their average loss. You multiply 75 times 15, and you get, let's just be, we're going to be as close as possible, but you essentially get 12, just, I'm going to go over the top of these parentheses here, 12 times something like 12 minus 5. So you're getting people with a $7 advantage on the market if they win 75% of the time. That advantage is usually recuperated when the markets go into a losing period, and what winds up happening is they're trading with the same risk reward, and they go down to 60%. Watch what happens. It plummets back down to a $3 advantage. Actually, it's not even that, because I'm assuming some trades were scratch. This right here, it's approximately, let's go, it's approximately 8. So in other words, now they have essentially no advantage on the market. All right? So, when someone tells you they have a great strategy, run it through the expectancy equation. Ask them what their win percentage is, what their loss percentage is. Ask them what their average win size is and what their average loss size is, and just plug it into this equation. It's really good at getting your systems down to the place where you understand you have an advantage on the market. We call this right here the edge. All right? Because just as a casino runs a business, they have an edge on the gambler. We want to have an edge when we place the trades. And that's what trading's all about. So I hope you guys learned a little bit off that expectancy formula, and I'm happy to show you these trades every week. We had a really good week, and I'm just gonna stick to CL and 6E for the time being on our reviews. Not because I don't like the ES, but just because it makes the work a little easier for me to go through these, and show you the trades without giving you too much information and logging it. But if you're trading anything that we're not here, if you're trading Nasdaq or corn or something like that on a day trading time frame, or even if you're on a 4-hour time frame, daily time frame, just go ahead and leave a comment in the blog and or visit our website and email us. And I'd be happy to do a quick review on that for you of the types of trades our system would take. But until next time, you can visit the website at professionaltradingstrategies.com. And as always, you can email me at protradingstrats@gmail.com. We've got a fantastic deal going right now on the Foundations course. If you call the number at 352-425-4251 before Monday, let's see, what is Monday? November the 25th. It's actually, the offer expires Sunday, November 24th. At 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But the offer is $99 startup fee. And I'm typing this out to you guys because we don't have it in the website right now. We're just offering a special since it's pretty much an opening month for us as a company, and we just want to get you guys through the course and have you to take your trading to the next level. Alright, so those are the deals, guys. If you call this number before Sunday, November 24th at 11 p.m., you can snag those deals. With PTS Foundations, you get 10 hours of video, all the PDFs to the strategies. You get, we'll answer any of your questions in little videos like this if the course didn't do a good enough job. And, we have, again, 10 hours of video that are self-paced, and that's the real key. You can go through them at your own pace. If you decide that you want to go to the advanced after you've bought the foundations, we even, give you a discount on the advanced. But if you want to go ahead and buy the advanced right now, it comes with the foundations. That way, if you have any gaps, you can, buy the foundations and the advanced. So even though you're buying the advanced here, you're really buying both of them. The startup fee, as soon as you pay that, the course is yours. And this is kind of like a $99 just loyalty fee for the next 3 months. We originally had offered this course because we thought it was valued at least $19.50 because as you can see here, the course is, if you can trade like this within 6 months to a year of heavy trading education, we believe it's worth that. But we're just discounting it so that you guys can get through the course and see what we're made of. At any time in that 3 months, you can cancel it, and all you forfeit is the startup fee. Just give us a try, and if you want to cancel, we can even work it out. Let's say you you just don't think trading's for you. We take refunds on a case-by-case basis with this, and it's a great deal, guys. Yeah, that's about all I can say on that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video this week, and remember that with the expectancy, just keep at it. with any system you try, run that expectancy. And if you have any questions or want me to do another video, there's the contact information. You guys have a great week and a great trading week as well. And hope to see you next week.